Hi everyone, I am thrilled to be here today to talk to you about the project title of More Smile Less Worries. It is the project with the aim to develop facial emotion recognition system for mental stress detection and brings advantages to students and counseling of institutions in dealing with mental stress. In today's highly competitive world, mental stress has become a serious concern, particularly among youngsters and university students. The age previously considered the most relaxed is now surrounded by a lot of stress. The increased stress among university students causes several difficulties in their academics, including depression, lack of interest in attending class, struggle to comprehend the topic, and suicide ideation as a result of poor self-esteem. To address the problem of mental stress among university students, early diagnosis and treatment are crucial. Therefore, it is necessary to have a system that can detect mental stress in its early stages. One effective way of detecting stress is through human facial expressions. Facial expressions are the most direct and effective way of expressing emotions and feelings, and can help identify human attention, behavior, mental health, and more. For the facial emotion, in 1971, the research of psychologists Ekman and Friesen first proposed that human beings have 6 main emotions. And each emotion reflects a unique psychological activity with a unique expression. These 6 main emotions are called basic emotions and consist of anger, happiness, sadness, surprise, disgust, and fear. Next is about the facial emotion recognition. It is a field of study that involves the use of technology to identify and interpret human emotions based on facial expressions. It has been used in various applications such as healthcare, human-computer interaction, and security. Stress detection is one of the most important applications of facial emotion recognition, which is beneficial in the early diagnosis and treatment of stress-related disorders. For the system, there are few steps in the system. Step 1. The system will detect faces from the camera for face detection. Step 2. Perform the emotion classification, which is to categorizing emotions expressed such as happiness, sadness, anger, fear, and disgust. Step 3. Calculate the mental stress score. It is the process of calculate the mental stress score based on the user's facial emotion. Once the mental stress score reaches the limit, the system will notify and display a message. Step 4 is store the result. If the system detected there is a mental stress sign occur from the user, then it will store the record and result into the database. Firstly, is to click on the Start System button. Then the system will first detect for the user's face. If the user is a new user, then it will request the user to press R to record their name and ID. Once the user's done the registration, then the system will start to perform for the emotion classification. If the user keeps showing the stress-related emotions such as the sad, fear and anger, then the system will pop up a warning notification to notify the user to take a break or seek for help. After that, the information will be stored in the database, and when user click on the check record button, it able to show the history result. That's it for the system. Thank you for watching.